Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to activate AMEX GCash card online. So the AMEX Virtual Pay allows you to make online purchases on both local and international websites, featuring daily transactions limits of 40,000 Philippine peso and monthly limits of 100,000 Philippine peso. It enhances security through the renewable security code, eliminating the risk of a physical card being stolen. Now, to activate your AMEX Virtual Pay card, you need to follow the following steps. First things first, you need to open up your GCash app and go to your profile. Now choose My Link Accounts, select American Express Virtual Pay, enter your email address and wait for an SMS for registration confirmation. Now for existing AMEX Virtual Pay users, click on Get New Code, save and make a note of your new code for continued use of AMEX Virtual Pay. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.